Good day everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we've come down to Stockport and we're in the air raid shelters. We're going to have a good explore. There's quite a few people in here, so I'm trying to keep quiet. This is the beginning of it. I'm going to wander all the way through. There's plenty of information here. You also get one of these, which is an audio to give you information. That's where we came in. This is where we're heading, me and the pipe master. Yeah, in case of nuclear war, these are the bunkers, which would have, or maybe would have been used. I like it. We're getting deeper into the depths of the place now. What do? Raid catches me in the street. Keep a cool head and do not panic. Yeah. You wouldn't, would you? Hitler will say no warning. Always carry your gas mask. Oh yeah. And here's the little audio things. Just scan the app. It starts giving you information, doesn't it? There you go, how to deal with incendiary bombs. This is the warden's little holdout. Even got his bike in there. Good grief, man. Whew. Be safe. Nice little seating arrangement here, so you can take a rest. Look at the damp. The moss is forming on here. Look at that. Yep, it's fairy moss. Can't be down there, obviously. It's a huge place, man. It's massive. Tool store. What tools have we got? Shovels. Yeah, that's about all you need, really.
Keep yourself out, yeah.
Gates, shovels. I'm going to wander into the sick bay. Oh. Well, a long way since this, haven't we? Look at these fellas here. Oh. Thankfully they're empty. Wow, how's this for a sick bay? Continues further down here, very, very narrow. God, I hope we don't get lost.
Back down there, that's made good, isn't it?
Ah, this is the nursing mothers. Okay. Gonna pop in there in a minute, but there's some people in there at present that don't want them on for camera. And from there, into the nursing quarters. Some very fetching music from the particular time. Old, very old stethoscopes. Thermometer. Brilliant. There they are themselves. Dig the music. That music can't be copyrighted. Surely to God. This is the first aid bit. Nurses only. They got the posh loos. Toilet not for the public. Wow. God. Private loos for the nurses. I should think so. There's the ARP shelter. It's the canteen, run by the Women's Voluntary Service. Tea is available from the canteen. Look at that. The old tin cups. Proper scales. Proper scales. Wow. Potato sausages. Here's the men's. Here's the men's toilet. Let's see how it differs to the nurses. Doggone nice sink. Consider others, keep this area clean. Very nice indeed. But now then.
That's like our outside, done it at home.
It's okay, there you go. There's your dummies. Respect your shelter. They're here for yours directly into the pipe. Well. If this doesn't put you off nuclear war, nothing will. Good grief, man. As I would have been, men at work, keep out. Look at the tools.
The hours it must have taken to do this.
Yep, as Biomaster says, imagine the length of time it took to carve these tunnels out. Now your tools for doing it. Jackhammer there without the jack. Just a bludgeoning tool, shovels. Incredible.
Yeah.
Oh wow. Good grief, man.
This is how showing you how to build one at home.
I think we should get to work on one when we get back.
Yeah.
Get one of these in your garden, Les. We can get one of these in your garden. Easy. Easy. Lamp's nice and bright. Oh yeah.
It's how to build one at home.
Oh. It is actually instructions on how to build your own little shelter like this at home. There you go.
There's instructions.
See here, there's an explorer tour going underground, but that's an evening tour. You can see the extent. Visit area is not usually open to the public, but only 7 o'clock. Unfortunately, just have to be satisfied with what we can see. Bloody amazing. The home front. And that's all the instructions are all underground. So if I don't mind you're up top, would you know what to do? Rationing. I very much doubt any of my viewers are old enough to remember them. Might be. Big for victory. Make do and mend. Yeah. Yeah. Back up there. And onward. And just in case you thought women got preferential treatment in the toilet area, here's the ladies. And it's exactly the same as the gents. If you sat opposite each other, you can have a little chinwag about what you're going to do when you go back up onto the land. Whew. As you can see, this it's like sandstone. It's very soft. See, I still wouldn't like to have to tunnel all this out. Oh, certainly not. But unfortunately, that's the end of this tour. That it was in its heyday. And that's been fantastic. What do you think? Me and Pie Master loved it. Absolutely loved it. Now back out into the rain now because it's chucking it down outside. So, if you enjoyed that, I'm sure you did. give me a like, thumbs up, whatever you want to call it. And we'll see you next time we're out and about. Take care all. From Stockport's Raid Shelter.